Something historic is unfolding in the drone industry, and it completely rewrites the rules for every aerial cinematographer, content creator, and tech enthusiast on the planet. For years, picking a drone felt like an agonizing compromise between portable convenience and commercial-grade image quality. If you wanted to avoid complex aviation registration, strict federal flight restrictions, and heavy legal liabilities, you were forced to stick with Sub-250g Mini drones. But those small platforms meant accepting tiny sensors, poor low-light performance, and fragile signals that could easily drop out in high-interference areas. On the flip side, if you demanded cinema-grade imagery, true variable mechanical apertures, and robust tracking systems that work in absolute pitch-black darkness, you had to upgrade to massive, heavy platforms like the Mavic or Inspire series, forcing you to register with regulatory bodies and deal with endless administrative red tape. But internal tech industry circles and highly guarded supply chain leaks have just confirmed that the ultimate ceiling has been shattered. DJI is gearing up to unleash its most disruptive masterpiece yet. An ultra-compact powerhouse engineered specifically to exploit modern aviation loopholes while delivering staggering, top-tier cinematography specifications that threaten to completely destroy the market value of much larger, more expensive enterprise drones. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This brings us directly to the star of the show, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026. This upcoming flight platform represents a massive generational leap, pushing the absolute physical boundaries of what can be engineered into a chassis that still rests comfortably under the critical 249-gram threshold. When you analyze the leaked hardware blueprints and internal components, it becomes immediately obvious that DJI is no longer holding back its premier flagship features just to protect its more expensive product lines. Instead, the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 is aggressively adopting a revolutionary hardware layout, starting with an uncompromised, groundbreaking camera architecture that seems mathematically impossible for a drone this small. The core foundational leak that has sent shockwaves through the global creative community is the inclusion of a massive, custom-developed 1-inch stacked CMOS image sensor. For context, previous iterations in the Mini series relied on smaller sensors that, while impressive for their size, heavily struggled with severe digital noise in low light and suffered from noticeable rolling shutter distortion during high-speed tracking shots. By moving to a 1-inch stack design for the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026, the company is fundamentally altering how data is captured and processed mid-flight. A stacked sensor architecture allows the memory and digital processing circuitry to be layered directly beneath the physical pixels, which dramatically accelerates sensor readout speeds. This means rolling shutter distortion is virtually eliminated from your aerial footage. So when you're panning rapidly across a dense urban landscape or tracking a speeding vehicle, the horizontal lines of buildings and cars remain perfectly straight and mathematically accurate without that distracting jello effect. But the sheer scale of the sensor upgrade on the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 is only the beginning of this technological revolution. The leaked blueprints confirm that this massive 1-inch stack sensor is paired with an unprecedented 6K video recording capability at a smooth 60 frames per second. Recording native 6K video on a pocket-sized drone is an absolute game-changer for professional editors and high-end video producers, especially those operating within top-tier markets like the United States where ultra-high-definition content dominates audience retention. Having access to a raw 6K canvas means you can seamlessly crop, digital pan, stabilize, and reframe your shots in post-production while still outputting a flawless, pin-sharp native 4K final file. If you are shooting vertical content for short-form social media platforms alongside traditional cinematic landscape videos, the extra sensor resolution on the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 allows you to punch into the center of your frame without losing a single ounce of crisp, high-fidelity detail. Beyond the resolution boost, the video pipeline is rumored to support 4K at an incredible 120 frames per second, enabling buttery smooth slow-motion capture that preserves micro details in rushing water, crashing waves, or fast-moving action sports. This entire visual processing powerhouse is further elevated by the inclusion of a true, mechanically controlled variable aperture ranging from f/1.8 down to f/11. Anyone who has flown a lightweight drone knows the sheer frustration of having to constantly land the aircraft just to swap out physical neutral density filters whenever the sun ducks behind a cloud or when transitioning from a bright open field into a shaded canyon. With the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026, that major workflow bottleneck is completely erased because the physical aperture iris adjustments can be made on the fly directly from your remote controller, allowing you to instantly control your light intake and lock in the perfect cinematic shutter speed for flawless motion blur regardless of changing environmental conditions. The hardware innovation of the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 does not stop at the camera module. It completely redefines aircraft safety and spatial awareness through a highly advanced, next-generation obstacle avoidance suite. Industry leaks reveal that DJI is ditching traditional dual-vision optical sensors in favor of a revolutionary system called Nightscape LiDAR. Standard vision sensors on older drones are completely dependent on ambient light to calculate distance, meaning that if you try to fly a complex automated tracking path at dusk, during golden hour, or in a poorly lit city environment at night, the obstacle avoidance system will frequently throw errors, disconnect, or fail to see thin tree branches and power lines, resulting in catastrophic crashes. The Nightscape LiDAR integration on the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 changes everything by actively emitting thousands of invisible laser pulses per second in a full omnidirectional pattern, allowing the drone to build a real-time, highly accurate three-dimensional point cloud map of its entire surrounding environment, even in pitch-black darkness. This means you can confidently execute complex, autonomous tracking maneuvers through dense forests, urban alleys, or rocky coastlines at midnight, knowing that the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 sees every single obstacle with millimeter-level precision regardless of lighting conditions. This advanced LiDAR array works in tandem with a completely overhauled onboard artificial intelligence flight computer, which processes environmental changes instantly to calculate proactive bypass trajectories rather than just slamming on the brakes when an object gets too close. To truly appreciate the operational capabilities of the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026, we have to look closely at the massive breakthroughs in signal transmission and battery efficiency. Supply chain reports indicate that this drone will introduce the all-new DJI O5 transmission system, a major evolutionary leap over previous wireless tech. The O5 system operates across multiple dynamic frequency bands, utilizing cutting-edge signal processing algorithms to maintain a bulletproof, crystal-clear 1080p live stream at 60 frames per second back to your remote controller over distances that were previously considered impossible for a compact aircraft. In dense urban markets like New York, Los Angeles, or London, where the airwaves are heavily congested with millions of competing Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth signals, older drones often experience sudden video lag, frame drops, or total signal disconnects. The O5 transmission system on the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 uses intelligent cognitive frequency hopping to instantly identify and bypass localized interference, ensuring that your control link remains rock solid even when flying behind large concrete structures or steel skyscrapers. But what good is a flawless transmission link if your flight time is severely limited by traditional battery technology? This is where DJI has pulled off its most impressive engineering miracle yet. The DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 is leaked to utilize a brand new, high-density solid-state battery chemistry that packs an incredibly dense electrical charge into a lightweight pack. This advanced battery allows the DJI Mini 6 Pro 2026 to achieve an astonishing real-world flight time of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, while strictly maintaining its ultra-lightweight, sub-250g profile, a feat that completely destroys the traditional 30 to 40-minute limit that has plagued consumer drones for the last decade.